Zavardi Official. Click here to subscribe. Hi there, it's me Zavardi and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, another DIY face mask with different style will be added onto your list. So get ready and let's start. You just need to prepare 1 sheet short bond paper and measure it by 18 cm by 28 cm. Then fold the paper crosswise. Then fold again crosswise. Have measure point 8 cm by 5 cm. And measure 3.5 cm. Using round plate with 20 cm diameter, connect the measured points. And if you can't find exact size of the plate, you can make your own round shape using thick cardboard same size as mentioned. Now ready to cut. On this part, just cut one folded part. Now this is how the paper pattern looks like. By the way, I'm using handkerchief and baby cloth. But if you have other texture or kind of fabric, you can use that too. Whatever makes you feel happy, then go for it. With the right sides together, sew all around the corner and leave about 1 to 2 cm allowance. This is another way of making face mask. Another style that I'm sure you will love it. It's so much fun making face mask. And why not try this at home? When it's done, you can turn it out using a stick. And don't forget to iron it. Sew all sides. Sew these sides. Measured points with 1.5 centimeters on all corners. Fold it like this and attach into the measured point. Do this on all 4 corners. This is how it looks like, but not yet done. I have this extra flower bead. Place it on the mask. You may also use medium-sized buttons if you have or if you like. For elastic band, cut 2 pieces of 24 to 28 centimeters. Now insert elastic band on both sides. And it's done! Your frog style face mask is now ready! This hawk style face mask is breathable face mask and no fog on eyeglasses. Make yours now and tag me on comment section. There are more DIY face mask designs and videos on my channel. Just see on description below for the links. Thank you for watching. Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Shoutout Corner.